Well, if you just got bumped off, that's because I hit the wrong button on my iPad. Either way, we'll check the player list quick again. So we got Jaren Stool, get rid of my junk. C Panther Power, let's check his. And then the bench warmers. Go back over. Yep. So C Panther Power, you got King of Clubs, which is AFC North. And then, what is it? Go back to the player list, sorry. Bench warmer box, and I'll go back to the other one. Just had to check the name. Bench warmer, you have the Ace of Diamonds and the Ace of Spades. Ace of Diamonds is the NFC West, and the Ace of Spades is the NFC South. And then RCC memorabilia, you have the Ace of Hearts, which is NFC East, and what's it, King of Clubs, which is the NFC North. I'm going to have my beautiful wife here type out the names and the teams, or the divisions with the names in the order of the draft, and then at the end of it, we'll revisit that. But right now, we'll just go to the break, so. Alright. Messy off this here. Alright, here we go. Sorry about the interruption. Hopefully there's no more. I turned all my notifications off. Couple quick rules. I don't think there's too many combo cards in this box, but if there is, the card goes to the player that's on top, if it's a combination card, or the player that's listed first to the left. That's just the way I done it, and as with trades, I don't think we have to worry about that. Here we go. I have seen a break with these where they got 2 packs in the box. Maybe we'll get that lucky, but if we don't, oh well. And here we go. Let's see them. Alright. Got a hit for the Jets right away. D. Molinier, I think his name is. Let me see if I can get it to focus. It's out of 149. Let me see if I can do something about the lighting here. It might help a little bit. D. Molinier. And we have Tavares King out of 149. I'm going to have to look that one up. Looking real quick on my cheat sheet. Amber,
Yeah.
can you look up Tavares King? Nice. Terrence Williams out of 25. Gridiron Grass. Again, another one I'm going to have to look up. I'll just check it quick.
Do you need to know where he's from?
What NFL team he plays on?
Denver Broncos, he's a wide receiver.
Tavares King?
Yep.
Okay. So Tavares King goes to the Denver Broncos, and look up Terrence Williams. While she's looking that up, we'll move to the next card. With which we have a Ryan Nasab, another one I do not know of. This one's out of 149. And then the last one is Cordell Patterson out of 149, which I believe he is a Viking. But we'll double check everything again. You got that one?
No, it's just the NBA. Oh, NFL. Hold on, I'm sorry.
Alright, we'll just go. I can show you the cards better this way. Did you get that other thing printed up?
I'm doing that. Just give me 1 second.
Okay. So, here's the hits. She's looking up a few players. Right, so I should just do this by my computer so I can do it a lot quicker. Do you need me to help you?
Dallas Cowboys. Rookie wide receiver.
Terrence Williams?
Yeah.
Terrence Williams, the Dallas Cowboy. So that's out of 25. That'd be the gem of this hit. Alright, and then there's one more. Ryan Nasab. Nassib.
Masab with a B or B?
B. Nassib. AB, sorry. No, it's I. It's I, my bad.
Okay. New York Giants.
New York Giants, okay. So we got the New York Giants, New York Jets, the Dallas Cowboys, the Minnesota Vikings. And you said Tavares King was for who? Oh, well, we got it before. It's in the video, so.
Dallas.
Broncos or something. No, it wasn't. It was a wide receiver for
Yeah. Dallas Cowboys.
Tavares King?
Oh, I thought you said Williams. He was for Broncos.
Yeah, Denver Broncos. Okay. So we got it all figured out. Now let's go see the team list quick. Let's see where everybody's going. Alright. So there you have it. I'll get your hits sent out. Everybody's paid up, so if you got a hit, I'll send that out right away tomorrow. Or once you pay your $2 shipping, and that's payable to Rick Monghe at yahoo.com via PayPal. Again, Rick Monghe, RickMonge at yahoo.com via PayPal. Thanks for joining my break. Tune in next time. Look for at my listings. If you see an auction, hit on it. Thank you.